Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A7 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode does not really matter because we will enter general settings. I just also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Tap on Restore to Defaults. Let's go back, and as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.